Alright, wow. Wait. Yo. Hey yo, Azure. Hello. Am I ready? I should get water. Wait, yes. I'll start soon. I am here. I got the water. Wait. Heyo, it's me. Wow, the Astatin. Wow. Thank you for the raid, Azure. I'm gonna shout you out. I am Azure Empress. Yes. Everyone go follow. Hello, Link. Hello, Sigil. Hello, Luna. Hello, Catty did it. And hello, Shrimpy TV. Heyo. Wait. I am not ready. Everyone here is likely to be on the spectrum, like neurotypical make games for dead console. It's true, it's kind of true. Like also some of the symptoms, like my so I got like a psychologist. I see a psychologist, and she was like, she asked me a lot of questions because she wanted to know whether I was more like autistic. Or also there's something, I don't think it's really a thing outside of France, but there is like another kind of neurodivergence which is called HPI. In France it's called HPI, which is like high intellectual potential, and apparently it's something else. And like I didn't really want her to tell me I had that, and she didn't, so it's good. The question she asked and the reason she gave me for why she thought it was very likely that I was on the spectrum is like everything in my life. like apparently normal people can speak when other people speak, like at the same time. That's crazy. I don't think it's possible. Yeah. Hello. Yes, today we are making the enemies attack that we started last stream. it's yeah, talking over others is rude. Yeah, but like it's like if you have, I think I struggle kind of a lot. It's like if I'm in a train station or something and I'm talking to someone and there's an announcement, it's impossible for me to speak at the same time as the announcement. Not necessarily even a voice, like just there's a loud sound and it's like it's taking over my brain and I cannot do anything. I cannot think. Yeah. But apparently some people can, and I did not know. I didn't even know. But yeah. So, bunny game. The bunny game. Where is my gamepad? It's here. Filtering out the announcement, indeed. HPI is a term accepted. Is a term accepted, but it's more like you aren't like definitely autistic, but you are definitely like cracked at intelligence. Oh, I see. Yeah. But like I don't know, like in France, it seems like everyone that goes to a psychologist get diagnosed with HPI. So I'm kind of like, is it a real thing? Or since the name implies that you're super intelligent or something? Like, when I'm saying everyone, like I got not diagnosed, but like my previous psychologist for like a few years back told me that I was likely not autistic, but I probably had HPI, because she thought that with autism, like I don't have a problem with recognizing emotions on faces, and like for her, it was like it was required to be autistic, but apparently it's not. I mean, apparently for the new one it's not, so I don't know. But like, what is my age? My age is somewhere in the 20s. Between 20 and 29 included. The top Google say HPI are like top 2.3% in terms of IQ. Yeah, I don't know. ASD is autism spectrum disorder, is a spectrum. Yeah. It was like in French it's not called ASD, it's called TDA, trouble du spectre autistique, I think. TDSA, maybe. But yeah, it's the same thing. Is what she told me. 25 bang, 25. I don't know. If I'm under 20, you can improve a lot without changing my nature. I intend to improve, yes. But like, I'm not necessarily bothered by it. It's more like I was already calling myself autistic woman sometimes for the joke, or blaming the tisms for some things, but it was more like I do relate a lot to a lot of people who have ASD, but like also I did not have a psychologist telling me I had it before, so I was kind of like, am I appropriating? Apparently I'm not, which is cool. There's a good explanation for why they don't use Asperger's. I think it wasn't it because the scientist that invented it was kind of a bad person. I'm not suffering from autism, I just have it. Yeah, true. Like it doesn't do anything. It's like it doesn't change anything. I'm just me. And it's just that like it's a I would guess that it's just a different way of thinking because the thing that I see and that I saw when I was little too is that like you don't really relate to the way of thinking of most people. And like I had the thing where I was questioning some social norms and saying that like I didn't know why it made sense for so many people, and like usually people would just respond by laughing at me because the social norm was kind of a taboo. And so like I learned the social norm. It doesn't change anything on this. It's just I don't know. it's just a different way of thinking. I don't know. Yeah. But now I can say autistic woman, which is fun. Yeah, you experience that too. Yeah. If you're in the chat, you probably are somewhere in the neuroatypical, neurodivergent. Yes, neurodivergent. Categories somewhere, I don't know. You're probably not neurotypical here. So like Nazi basically sent every autistic person to a camp. Asperger's comes along and is like, I want to save some of these people, so oh. Yeah, it's dumb. Dumb. Fascist everywhere. Dumb. Yeah. Oh, what is happening? It's also not a real disorder, so now it's just ASD level 1. Doesn't ASD mean autistic spectrum disorder though? Doesn't that mean it's a disorder? I don't exactly know that it would. I don't know. Like I don't think it impacts my life in a way. It's something that are considered disorder like this. Like I do not feel like it's an illness. I think I don't relate to people who maybe not everyone, but like mostly I have an easier time relating to people who have some kind of neurodivergence, and so like it doesn't feel like I don't know, it doesn't feel like an illness. I don't know. It's autistic spectrum disorder, not Asperger. Yeah. Don't think too much about it, as we were just pushing for the good name, but yeah, I don't know. I'm dead and everything teleported everywhere. What the? Oh yeah, it was because of the freeze. I added them. I made them be able to freeze the bunny. It's like how autism research was like super bad until a person with autism showed up and started contributing. Yep. Isn't it like everyone that is not in the majority? Doesn't it happen everywhere? This kind of thing, like these people are definitely very different from us, and we should make a bunch of executive order to make their life more difficult. Yes, I'm not talking about anything, of course. Nope. Yes. Have a nice work. Catty did it. did it? Yes, did it. I see. What did you do, Cathy? What did you do? I got your username correctly. So enemies attack. Enemies attack. Basic. So basic now did the bunny thingy. Whatever people ask you, what says your mom? Oh my god. Oh my god. Yep. I know people who do that a lot. Oh my god. They tend to get angry when it's a O instead of a U though. PA sum? What is this? Oh yeah, it's the position. Okay, so why did I do the fixed bunny? Fixed bunny. Oh, because there's a movement and it stopped the movement if there is one. So I need to fix a button. Okay, I see. You're unfortunately American. yeah, I'm not, I am not strongly attached to anything, but like I know that Al, for example, is very attached to the U in mum. Your friends still use that punchline too in their British? Yeah. Your mum. Okay, so what kind of attack did we want to do? I think I wanted... It's a good one for sure. Work time. I think I wanted to do the... I wanted to make an attack that would send something on the bunny in a straight line. Yes, that is what I wanted to do. So the problem is, like, if I do that, how do I do the animation? Because like just an attack is easy, but I need to send something, and I don't think I have the space. Wait. Definitions. Animation. I don't have the space. I have jump table index, XY, step. The step for the animation, animation, direction. Yes. I mean, I could reduce the jump table index probably. I don't think I need 256 animations. It's probably way enough to have 64, and so it could always, like, I could do something where it's something general, where like the two most significant bits are the direction of the animation, maybe? Do I have an animation that is currently like rotating ball, kind of? And it looks like I could just send something in D, for example. Because here I'm clearly not pushing D before. Yep. I can just... Oh my god. I nearly spilled my water. Oh no. Oh no. Animation.gbasm. Animation. In the animation launch table, yes. What I could do is when do I do the jump table thingy? Jump here, display animation. So I get this from HL. Animation jump table in BC. Does jump table uses DE though? Jump table macro. Oh yes, it does. RIP. I mean, HL is still... Push HL. HL is still on the same... on the animation. And the first one of the animation is... its index. So what I could do is just... and... wait, so F7, 7, 3. So 3F. Computers love water, indeed. Why do I say water now? Water. How did I say how did I say it before? What the? Is this your first time here? It's your first time here. Did you miss anything you can be caught up? Oh yeah, I can show you where we are. Hello? What is happening? What the? Everything is broken. Oh, because my keyboard connected to my phone, and so it closed when I tried to open a terminal for some reason. It closed my tracking, and the terminal didn't open. What the crazy? So the game. No, not this one. Bun game. This is the game currently. I mean, I should wait. I should fix the basic attack. Enemies attack. Basic. This. This is the game currently. Bum bum bum. Oh. Booty. So we are a bunny, and there's a bunch of foxes, and we can freeze the foxes and go to the next level. And there will be more foxes that we can also freeze and then attack. And sometimes they wake up, and we can hop. And we can heal. And yes, that is the game. And the dungeon are procedurally generated. Yes, that's all. Foxes! Oh my god, so many foxes. So many foxes. Oh no. Oh no. Yes. The current state of the game. And today I want to add more attacks for the foxes, because now they can just, I mean, not necessarily the foxes, because I added a bunch of enemies. But for now they don't do anything, so I just deactivated them, but they still exist in the code. I just made them impossible to spawn. But I want these enemies to have their own kind of attacks on top of the basic attack, and maybe also different patterns of how they walk. Yeah. Yep. Jump table. I forgot what I was doing. Yeah, so in animation here, I can do end F, 3F. If I'm not wrong, 3F is should be 0011111. Wait, what? No, one more, and hex. Yes. And then am I using Vim? I am using Vim. Indeed. Tummy hurty. Oh no. Oh no. My tummy hurt. Boom, boom, bum, bum, bum. Ba-da-ba-dum, bum, 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 bum. So I'm gonna add a new animation, which is... Wait, it's not gonna work. Is it? Well, we could do... That's a problem. Like, I think I need to increase the size of the animation structure. I'll come back, maybe. Yeah, I need to increase, because I also need to... It's not just the direction. I need to store the direction, and I need to store how many steps will... Not steps, but like, I mean, do I? Because right now I think the steps are increasing, but I could make the steps decrease instead and set them when I'm trying to start the animation. Right. That's true. That is factual. So how do I try launching an animation now? Free slot found. A, C. What is C? X or A? What is all? Oh, because it starts at 0. It starts at 0. Try launch animation. Try launch. animation. Wouldn't it be cool? No, I'm done. I'm done. Jump table. Try launch animation, so I'm starting them. On health, ear counter attack, and heal. Okay, we're gonna change the direction of the animations. Heal. Sparkles, yeah. Yep. LD 1A. What plugin do I use in Vim? Or well, in Vim I use, I think it's telescope this. Well, I use something that is called Kickstart Vim. Kickstart New Vim. And basically I use all of these. So I do have the LSPs thingies, even though you can't see them on the assembly. Yeah. I use telescope for the navigation. Yeah, there's a bunch of things. Yeah, this kind of things. Telescope is cool. Like the most useful feature I have is when I don't know if I think I configured it myself. I'm not sure. Wait, config new vim config no init. Is it at the end? Yes, I configured it myself. Like this is super useful. There is a I set the thing so that when I press JR GR, wait, what is it in French? G, so it's G, yes, GR. and when I press GR, it does not this. It does open this, and I can search on all of my my code base. It's pretty cool. You have been diagnosed with a brain condition that may lead to autistic traits. You're almost 30 years old, and I have understood that time is the most important factor is positioning yourself. You have understood that time is the most important factor in positioning yourself in a better place. What do you mean by that? You are 40 years old and like waiting? Is waiting a good thing for you? I don't know. Sure. Empty cell syndrome? Wait, what is empty cell syndrome? Rare condition that a bone structure at the base. Headache, high blood pressure, and fatigue. Oh no. RIP. Pat, pat, pat. Pat, pat, pat. Yeah. That's RIP. That's RIP. Pat, pat. But yeah. But you are now in the club. We have both autistic syndromes. Wow, wow. It's me. Hello, autistic woman on the internet. You're also a little curious about the autocomplete in the command line thing. The autocomplete in the command line? Command line? The new Vim one, you mean? I don't remember which one it was. It might be the default one. When I'm pressing Ctrl N, it just takes words in the current buffers. Your brain does not produce enough hormones. Oh, I see. I see. RIP. Is it NeoVim or Vim? It is NeoVim. But like, I'm not using a lot of but when I pressed colon, this test, well, isn't it by default? Like when I'm in common mode, I can do this, but isn't it by default when I press tab? Am I wrong? Oh, I don't know what it is then. You don't think that's a default? Oh. I have no idea what it is. I just took... UM CMP. It might be this for the completion. So it might be this and this one, then. It would make sense, right? Completion path. Yes, it does make sense. This is the main thing, and this is especially for the path. Maybe I can send them in the chat. There's an autocomplete with tab, but it's just cycling autocomplete that will just go through all the options. Yeah. You're on the subway and you hear you with interruption, so you didn't catch what I said. You will explain what you mean when you... Yes. Yes, that was my question. What do you mean by... Wait, it was... Time is the most important factor in positioning yourself in a better place. Is it just like you take your time on doing things, or is it like you kind of in a grief way of like time will heal? Yeah. Is it terminal? It is a terminal. It is alacrity. So yeah, sparkle animation here, instead of increasing until this, I decrease it until this. LD, this doesn't need to exist. EA, X short. What is this? Yeah, it doesn't need to exist. So if I'm not wrong, now if I go in a try launch animation for heal, and I put am I using DE? D? No. I put let's say in E. I put 2-0, and I don't know if I already changed the try animation thingy to use it. Try animation. A number of steps in E. Apparently the path auto-completed the thing in new Vim by default and in Vim as well, but Vim is horizontal at the bottom of the terminal. Oh, I see. Yeah, I think I remember having it maybe in a different way, but even when I was in Vim, I don't think I was typing the path completely all the time. I know that I don't do it that often, but I still have sometimes when my automatic thinking is not to use telescope and just to do colon E, even though it's way slower. But yeah. Bum 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 bum. Is it comfy for you using Vim? Yep. I mean, I'm more used to. I don't really like using my mouse. I am way more used to only using my keyboard. So. Like I know that some people use VS Code or like other kind of editors, and like I couldn't. Even I can, of course, but like it's frustrating. I don't know. If you're under 30, you have more energy. When I was younger, I didn't have access to the information available now, and you didn't know what to do. You could have planned some things better and avoided the undesirable outcome you face. Oh, yeah, that's true. That's true. Pat the Ming Phoenix. All of the pats. But yeah, we live in a crazy time. We have access to all of the information. It's crazy. Fucking crazy. Why am I popping AF? What? When do I ever need to pop AF? Try launch. I don't really like the idea of popping AF. Wait, I'm going to... Boom. I'm going to test it this way, and then we're gonna try to remove the puppet if it's possible. But it's confusing. Button game. We are overwhelmed with information. That's true too. I should stop watching things that YouTube recommends me because it tends to, like, at the beginning, YouTube sends me like cute videos of I don't know, cats and stuff and game related stuff, and like it devolves into politics, and it makes me sad, and like it's just evil at this point. It's just actually trying to make me, it's actively trying to make me sad. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, interesting. It does make sense. Like since it's using the steps, that it's doing it in reverse. You found my stream through YouTube. Let's go. Yeah. I have some like when I started uploading my VODs, and especially making the thumbnails, I started to have some people coming from YouTube. It's pretty cool. You just avoid YouTube, but like I tend to watch way too much YouTube. And like there's a bunch of interesting stuff, but like the thing is it's manipulating me at the beginning when my will is somewhat stronger. Like it's still not very strong because I'm on YouTube. But like when my will is kind of okay and I would not click on political things, it doesn't show me any political things. And like it's only when I'm starting to be like tired that it knows that it's what is going to make me the most angry. so it shows me this, but like it's useless. Like it's usually things that don't impact me, or like sometimes it impacts me but I can't do anything, and it's just trying to make me angry. I don't know why. I don't understand. It's evil. So here, SRAD. Yeah. YouTube try like it's, yeah, I don't know. It's kind of making me think like I like technology, but also is it making me happy? I'm not sure. What the? Oh, it does make sense, okay. Oh, interesting. Yeah, it's normal. It's because the e-register is only, but technology is awesome. But your dishwasher never gets you angry. Well, bro. Yeah, like the problem is like that. I think the problem is not technology, but it's like Silicon Valley startups that are actually like trying to manipulate you for attention, and like the thing is, YouTube doesn't even make any money from me because I'm using an ad blocker and I'm not paying YouTube Premium. So like the only thing that it's doing is slowing down my browser because I'm on Firefox. so it's like, hello first, I'm gonna wait. Who could I know she'd be streaming today? Wow, it's crazy, right? It's crazy. I did not talk about it on Discord at all. I'm gonna shout you out. How was your stream? But like, yeah, this kind of culture, like this kind of like nihilistic money-driven way of thinking, where like it's okay, you can do anything if you increase the KPIs, is like, it's I don't understand. Like, I mean, I do understand the logic of why they are trying to do it, because they want to make money, but why do some people think it's good? I don't know. Yeah. For example, due to the circumstances, you ended up in low-level jobs. These types of jobs are for predatory type of people. The information that on Sam Vaknin's channels has helped you a lot. You would have faced fewer situations if you had understood earlier that some people perceive you as a victim. Oh, yeah, that trip. Pats. Pat. Lots of pats. You get lots of pats. Yeah. That's rip. That's extremely rip. Like I don't know. Like workplace. Like the thing is, workplace. Most people work, and I think a lot of people in the world are toxic. So like it does make sense that you would be forced to be put with toxic people, and it's kind of rip. It's really rip. But pat. It was good. Got a less done that you wanted, but also got more done that. So both. You did the things while not doing the things. I see. Working on enabling enough 9p to make a full RAM FS in the lib. Oh, I see. But yeah. Like the thing is, you choose your friends. You have the saying that you choose your friends but you don't choose your family or something. Like it's also, you don't choose your the people, like you kind of do but not really. Like the people that work at your company, like you do a little bit. I think most people, maybe not, like I don't know, like it might not apply to everyone, but like I think when it's very clearly super toxic, not most people, but like some people can quit a job. I don't know if it's most people, but like so there's a minimal amount of choice on it, which is different from your family, but still, like most workplace have people that are toxic, even when it's not like Silicon Valley kind of toxic, or like all the kind of toxic. That's not just the Silicon Valley one, because I know the Silicon Valley one kind of, like I did not go to Silicon Valley, but the kind of Silicon Valley culture that exists. But like even if it's not that kind of toxic, there's always some people that are not. Like I don't know where it comes from, but yeah, I don't know where I was going with that. But I think my point was probably understood. Maybe, I don't know. But Pat Ming is the point. The point is Pat Ming and everyone that has shit coworkers and bonk them. Here we bonk the coworkers. That is what is happening on this stream. So yeah, sparkles. When am I also launching the sparkle thingy? Objects. Am I also using the E? No. No, Astatin is not using the E. She should use the E. That is true. It's also possible for someone to become toxic without notice. I think most people are toxic without actively trying to not be toxic. Because like, the thing is, most parents in the world are bad parents. Like, do you even know someone with good parents? Like, most parents are bad parents, and it's like if people cannot reflect and like change over the course of their life, it's not instantaneous, which is why usually teenagers are demons. like you have a going to adult life is like learning that you're not perfect and that you need to improve, and like at the beginning you're like teenager, like a teenager and a demon. Progressively you become a little bit more adjusted to being a normal human being, not a normal but like a decent human being, I think. And like some people lack the self-reflection stuff, which is making them not super cool to be around, I think. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I'm saying this, but like maybe some parents are good and some people are born non-toxic. But like, I never met one. Like I think most people I know would say that when they were teenagers, they were like not super well adjusted, I think. I don't know. We kind of all can be super annoying without anyone noticing it. Yeah. In the past, you believe that you were the problem and overexerted people at work, and you have ability to simply leave a job. Yeah, exactly. Pog. The recording function on your phone helped you in two situations. Without this kind of information, it's hard to figure out what to do. Yeah. What is frustrating thing is the same if level toxicity can help you in a career. Well, probably. But like, it doesn't mean you should do it. Because like, yeah, I think the people that make the most money in the world are people that can exploit other people. But like, is it a good reason? Like, do you want to be happy or do you want to have money? like, okay, sure. With everything being equal, having more money is probably cool, but like, do you prefer being a jerk with money or not, or being a good person with a normal amount of money, not necessarily being poor, but like, there's, I don't know. Like, I think it's kind of the problem. Like, negotiation works, and in negotiation there's like a lot of manipulations, thingies where you break the brains of other people, is what I mean, to get what you want. And like this kind of thing is exactly what YouTube is doing, but like at a larger scale. Like, do you prefer having for the world, is it better for YouTube to exist and try to make as much money as possible and make it all addicted and angry and sad at dumb videos we watch that we don't actually need to watch? Or would the world be better if it pushed videos that are actually useful? You suck at negotiation? Yeah, I think I'm decent. I'm probably not the best, but I can do it. But like, it's not like some people can go like super far in negotiation stuff, and can get way much more than what they deserve, and manipulate people and spam. The problem is that better is so subjective. A good YouTube would not be popular. Well, it's also like the direction of trying, like, if they had a YouTube that would be pushing, like, was the YouTuber of 2017 maybe, I don't know, like the YouTube of like 7 years ago was not as bad as the YouTube of now, because they are actively trying to make it more addictive and more I don't know, yeah. Too many people kind of suck, yeah. And the problem is better is so subjective. I don't agree. I think if you ask people what they think morally of things, most people, like, if you don't count the people that say like moral doesn't exist and things like that, where I think they are rationalizing it because they don't find a rational reason for it to be better, because there's no rational reason for it to be better, because it's just in our mind, and it's like it's not a thing in the physical world. Moral doesn't exist in the physical world, but like I think if you ask most people what they think is good, we would, and you give them all the same information, I think we would generally agree on most things. Like, I don't know. Like, I think it's, everyone would, like, if we hadn't so many like propaganda or saying like we should ban moral because what would yeah, like this kind of dumb things, because everyone is I don't know, everyone needs to be sharp because that's how a society works. I don't know. Like if we remove this kind of stuff, like intuitively we know what is moral or not. I think. Like it's subjective in the sense that it's in our head, but like, and it doesn't exist in the physical world. But like, it's. I think most people would not like a world where everyone is addicted to political videos. A good YouTube that serves the user would for sure be popular, it just wouldn't make much more money. Yeah, maybe. Like Wikipedia is popular. And it's somewhat better than whatever social media we watch, but the thing is we are not constantly on Wikipedia, so it doesn't make, like, even if it were to add ads on it, it wouldn't make money. And like if they wanted to work like a Silicon Valley startup, they would try to make us addicted to Wikipedia, and they would make it worse, I think. Agree with you, but I think that what people think is good and what they like is very different. Yeah. Yes. But like, yeah. What I mean by the aspect of time, to say true to the intent of your first comment, that you're in condition like autism and under 30, you can still prepare to build a peaceful life, so you don't have to struggle as hard. Less energy. You believe this information can be helpful to younger people? Yeah. Like, to be fair, I'm probably not in the kind of situation that you had to go through, because honestly, I am on the spectrum, but like it doesn't really have a bad impact on my life at all, I think. It's just normal. But it's true. For yourself, like a bunch of immoral stuff. Yeah. Like, you like a bunch of immoral stuff. It is stuff that you can't talk about on Twitch. Maybe you do I want to know? I'm kind of curious, but also like if it's something that would make me angry, maybe don't post it. Do you recommend any new event setup video that you had advice so you're curious? You're joking, okay. You're curious to implement now. I don't really watch videos on them. I just set it up on YouTube with the Kickstart thing that I showed. Not YouTube, without YouTube on the Kickstart thing that I showed. What's being scattered? What's being scattered to is more of the bit inside us that likes skin boxes. I don't know what this is. I don't understand your sentence, Link. I don't understand the word catted, nor do I understand skin boxes. I don't know what this is. We are having a philosophical conversation. Don't distract us. It's fine. I'm okay with having different conversations at the same time. Autism can honestly be kind of janky. This thing you don't like about it and things you do. Like, I know that some people I know who also have autism have like problems understanding what people around think, and I don't really have this kind of like I don't understand how they can think that, but like I can read the air okay, I think, probably. So I don't know. You're pretty sure that you're not on any spectrum? You like TS and Python? Oh no, oh my god, what are you doing here? Carrots serve a Skinner box as an experiment that was done with Pigeon by pressing a button a random number of times yielded a reward, and the pigeon would get conditioned to keep pressing the button. Oh! So what's being served to us is more of the bit inside us that likes... Okay, yeah, exactly. Yeah, I see. Yeah, exactly. It's like just conditioning us to keep clicking on the. Well, I don't even know. Like, why do I keep clicking if it makes me angry and not happy? It's dumb. I'm dumb. That explains it. I think I'm just dumb. But like, yeah, I don't know. There's not a cookie at the end of shorts. Exactly. Like you watch a bunch of shorts. Like my shorts that's not that bad. I think it's like more the longest videos that make me like my shorts are kind of dumb. It's like this person rescued a pigeon. Look at what happens next. This kind of things, or like the ASMR dog scaring shorts is so heckin' cute, and like it's kind of dumb. I don't learn anything, and at the end, when I spent 1 hour watching this, I'm just like, what did I spend my time for? So it's like not very useful. But the long videos, like it depends on the time of the day. I think YouTube kind of understood when I was more likely to be angry over stuff. Shorts don't really give you a dopamine hit. Do give you a dopamine hit, so you understand those, but you don't really know why something that makes you angry would keep you coming back. Yeah, I don't know. We are just dumb. It's the dumb. Yes, it's a dumb safe place here. We can just all be dumb together. Have a nice. It was nice to meet you too. Have a good whatever you do after. Bye bye. You can't handle many of the skin and box UI decision. Example, infinite scrolling. ADHD saves you there. You can't handle many of the skin and box UI decision. ADHD saves you there. Why? How? Hello, Norris Chair. Hello. Like, isn't ADHD making it worse for most people? I don't know. Want some tea? I want the tea, please. Please, give me the tea. Well, not the tea written in the way you wrote it, please. You must start your work. They annoy me to the point where you can't spend any patience on them, so you just leave. Oh, I see. Thank you, Farjo. Thank you. Yeah, have a good day. Have a good work, Ming. You've been shoveling snow all morning? Oh, rip. That's rip. That sounds like Finland. That sounds like Finland. And there's no more Christmas, so it's useless now. No more Christmas. Christmas is cancelled until next year. I mean, until this year. But like, yeah. It's very useless. Yeah, it's dumb. It's dumb. Snow without Christmas is dumb. I mean, you can still build snowmans. It's kind of cool, but maybe not every day. Maybe every day is kind of and you have to walk your dog. So it must be kind of rip. Pat. Lots of pats. Animation. Rotating ball. Bum 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 bum. Ba-da-ba-dum bum bum. Try lunch animation. Wanna send the snow to you? You prefer the snow over your current weather? Oh, is it? I don't know. Like the are you in a place where it's super hot all the time? Rip. Then last week it was raining, and then now it has frozen again. Oh no! Everything is icy with the snow on top. It's even more slippery. That's heckin' rip. Oh my god. Oh my god. That sounds not good. That doesn't sound good. Boom 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 bum ba da bum 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 bum. Hopefully your neighbor didn't wait, what? Didn't see you kiss the ground a couple. Oh no, that's Finland seems dangerous. I didn't know it was so dangerous. What the? People say that nothing is worse than super cool snow stuff. I don't agree. I think the worst is super hot and humid. Like in Japan here, the summer is hecking painful. Painful. And I like when I went skiing quite a long time ago. I am not good at ski, by the way, but I went skiing a long time ago, and it was pretty cool. It was pretty cool. I like the snow. But like it was pretty cool. I can understand that it's painful for all winter, but yeah, I skied like one day, and then I stayed at home, and my friends were skiing and not me because they don't really like skiing. But yeah, I tried doing it, but like I'm like, I don't know, I feel like I don't control anything. And it seems like when I'm skiing, it seems dangerous, and I don't actually like it. I don't know. Finland is deadly during this time. Yeah, I would assume. I know that. I know like someone from Canada and someone else from Inner Mongolia in China. And like they both have like times in the year when it gets to like -30 or -40, and it seems hecking scary. What the So I don't know how much is Finland. I would assume that it's probably somewhat similar. Maybe it's probably on the same latitude as Canada, maybe? I don't know. Like the place in Canada, like Canada is big, of course. But yeah. It's actually you actually like the cold. You are in the UK before, and your favorite bit with the Sub-Zero one. Yeah, the UK is probably kind of similar with France, maybe a little bit colder, but like it's okay. We never have like super long periods of always snowing, and it doesn't go. I don't think in France, outside of the ski thing, I don't think I've ever had something under -10, which is already hecking cold. But yeah. Can you even survive with this? There's no bad weather. There are no bad weather, only bad clothes. Yeah, if you have like good clothes, and your house is well isolated, like thermally isolated thingy, it's okay. You can survive in, like, people are surviving in Antarctica. There's scientists in Antarctica, so it's okay. It's okay. Waterproof, oh my god. But yeah, but like the -40 ones are hecking scary. Like you die so fast with the helicopter. 2F, so 3, 0, and 2. The run keeps you warm. You do have a solid 30 minutes after the run where you can't text properly? You can't text properly? What? Actually, whenever you feel like you hate the snow and the cold, you think of the maniacs in Antarctica and you feel a bit warm inside. What the? Yeah, I guess. Hands are cold, finger how to. Oh, I see. Yeah. Yeah. I mean that happens here. Even here. When I'm going to school right now. Like right now it's not that cold, but like last week it was hovering under 0, like between -2 and +5, and it's already enough for my hand to be kind of uncomfortable and not liking texting and things. So I don't know. The blood circulation should keep your toes and finger warm if you have good clothes. Probably don't have good clothes, but it's fine. It's like it's not gonna. Well, it should go a bit colder, but not that much. It's probably fine. 22 degrees here. What the? 22 degrees. I have my. Well, I don't know how cold it is. Like right now it's not that cold. It's okay. And like compared to France, Japan is kind of warmer in general. So like I know that in France, like sometimes my friend texts me and like it's -7 here. What the? What the? Oh no. Sometimes it's hit 35. Are you in Australia or something? Are you like in a tropical subtropical area of the world? It was 40 here during the last summer. Oh no. I mean, yeah, 40. Well, here we got a 43, I think, with like maybe not 90%, but like super high humidity. Not Australia? Okay. Like somewhere in tropical, I would guess, maybe. Not tropical, like subtropical, maybe more. I don't know. But like in the summer here was heckin' painful. Oh my god. I'm happy I'm going back to France before the summer because oh my god, it was like the felt temperature thingy. It was constantly over 45, and like the real temperature was like between 35 and 42, and like super high humidity. And like I would just die going outside. Oh my god. Summer in Japan is hot and humid. Yeah. Yep. It is. It is freaking painful. Is AC common? Yes, you wouldn't survive without, I think. I mean, apparently, I met some old people who were saying that they didn't use AC because in their time they didn't use AC, so they just push through it. I don't know how they do it, and I think they're gonna die kind of like not that like. They're gonna die one summer because they're gonna be way too hot, and it's not good when you're old. It's even worse. So like I don't know how they do it and why they do it, but most people have the AC. Mind over matter, kind of. Yeah, I mean, it's dangerous. Like, they should not do it. It's fucking dangerous. Like, a lot of the time it's over, like the temperature is over the temperature in your body. Like, and your body is not made to cool. It's like, well, you have some mechanism to cool yourself down, but it's using water, and since the humidity is super high, then it just doesn't work. So it's like, I don't even know how it's possible to survive without the AC for like a long time. I don't know. You like your AC more than the dishwasher? Yeah, exactly. It's hacking. Like yes. You just sweat a lot, but like, if it doesn't evaporate, then it's just useless and it doesn't cool you down. And yeah, as long a fan, yeah, I guess a fan will work. That's true. But it's dangerous. If you have an AC and it goes over 30, probably 36 or 37, use your AC, please, and no cloth. I guess it will work, yeah. True. Well, what did I want to test? Yes, I wanted to test the helicopter attack, and my gamepad is not connected. Oh, I have 400 followers. Wow. Hello, 400. That's crazy. I am just making a game. Hello, it's me. It does seem to be okay. Okay. So we're gonna add a new one for animations. Has anyone played Dragon Sweeper? You've been obsessed for days. What is Dragon Sweeper? Dragon Sweeper. This? It doesn't seem to do anything. GitHub. I don't know. Wait, what? Is it? Are you trying to get me banned? What the? Just takes a minute to load. Yeah, if it takes a minute to load, it's gonna take too much of my CPU, and the stream is gonna lag because my PC is potato. What the fuss is going in places. How should I call it? Laser? Probably laser. Animations. A rotating ball. Helicopter. You heard the name and you got very excited? Yes. Okay, this one is good. I approve. GB Gasm. Yes, okay. It took you a few hours to be able to clear it. You eventually did it though. Oh. I don't know what it is. Laser animation. Thank you for the follow, Blue 87. Thank you, thank you. So like, wait. So it's gonna do the same thing. Sorry. It's gonna do the same thing here. Bum bum bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Well, no, because its position will depend on the steps. Right. Right. It will depend on LD will be direction. It's gonna take whatever is in HL and swap the D and shift right D, shift right D and 3. Right? Yes. Yes. I don't know if the end is right. Yes, so the end is required. Or maybe there's a rotate, right, which would be more useful. Okay, we're gonna look at the emulator. Game Boy emulator. Again, we're going to optimize a single instruction, as we do here, as we usually do. That is something we do. Rotate through carry. Rotate right. So it's gonna be a rotate left right. Rotate RR. Oh yeah, it's true. The RRC is rotate right, and RR is rotate right through carry. I don't know why. I still did not understand this, but apparently it's the case. Wait, what? Or shift 4? No. What? This one is using the carry flag. This one too. They're all using the carry flag. No, they're not all using the carry flag. Huh. What is this? It's not the carry. What sort of cheating shenanigans is the Rust code? It's the emulator. This is the implementation of the instructions. So like, it's not cheating, it's documentation. It's just, I want to know, like if I do this, rotate left D, is it the same thing as if I do this? And I think it is. But I don't know why it's saying through carry. It looks like both are using the carry, and there's none that rotates without using the carry. So it's probably just doesn't exist. Right? SRL. B7. Oh, maybe it's this. SLA. B0 again. Okay, okay. SLL? There's no SLA. Okay, so it doesn't work like this. I just have to use this. When you aren't understanding the source, start reading the source of the things below it. Keep going until it makes sense. Yes. Yes, indeed. Indeed. When do we get to the Verilog? What is Verilog? Your strategy is different if you confuse. You ask ChatGPT. It is confused, then if it is confused, then the bug just becomes a feature. I see. One of these people. I see. Not judging. No. I'm joking. I mean, I'm kind of not, but yeah. Verilog is used to define logic gate for hardware. Oh, it's the. Is it for programming FPGAs? Am I wrong? I want to program FPGAs at some point. I don't know how it works, but it looks very interesting. Yeah, let's go. So we got the direction, and then what we do is going to be very interesting. Very interesting. Bum bum bum. Ba-da-dum. Bum 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 bum. Add moving animation offset. What is this again? Viewport X and Y. Like, is viewport X and Y? Because X and Y's are dumb. X and Y's are dumb. Hello, Funoflops. Heyo. So, like, I should use this direction to add step divided by 16 to something. How am I doing? I'm doing good. I am doing good. I do the thinking. I am doing the thinking. The thinkage. Like, because if I want to check whether or not it should be drawn, then I need to wait, what is add moving animation offset? Moving animation offset. Add current moving animation offset to BC also uses A. Mem body direction. So it's what I want to use. I need to get the steps. So increase HL. Increase HL. LD E from HL. Decrease HL. It's probably better if I don't do it this way, but it's just to get yes, to do the things, to get an idea of how it's gonna work. Because this is X, Y, and then steps. So in E, I have the steps. So I get the steps and I divide them by 16, which is going to be swap E and wait, LDA OF and E LDEA. Right. Of course. Brain is dead. I actually don't need to put it in E. Why did I put it in E? I can just put it in A. No, I cannot. No, I can. And then add moving animation offset in direction. Oh no! Add current moving animation offsets to BC. Oh, I see. It's about the bunny. It's not the right one then. It's one very similar that I'm going to use, which also uses D. And this increase A, LD, DA. I don't know what it was. XY in BC. Add A direction to, yes, to direction BC, yes. Indeed, it was this. I remember. I do the remembering sometimes. It does happen. Well, I can do this. LD B LDC push BC. Oh no. Pop BC. Does it make sense? Yes, it does make sense. So, and here is add A to direction BC, and A is this, and D, yes, everything is okay, everything is right. Oh my god, it's a phone of lots. It's true. It is true. It is a phone of flops indeed. A phone of flops has appeared in the chat. That is true. Does that make sense? I don't need to do this then. Ba-da-ba-dam, ba-dam-bam-bam-bam. Well, I don't need to push BC. That's not... Because I'm not using C. The red C is actually does mean carry. So it's not used, so it's fine. But also I'm using it here as my viewport. It's probably fine. It's probably fine. Swap A. And here, no. Nope. This one is confusing. Well, I can test first. With this thing, it should jump from, like, it should not move smoothly, but like jump from, yes, doing the jumps. We'll see. Brain is dead. Brain is no more. Animations. Rotating ball. A ball in rotation, I see. What is this? Oh, it's the steps. So we can reuse this one. Don't know if I'm done. LD HLE. I mean, you can just reuse all of this, and now it's fine. Remove the rotation value thingies. Add E. ADC. Adding the carry. What the? Push HL. Increase DE. LDA DE. What is it doing? add B. What is in DE? Rotation values? Sure, but then add E. Why is it getting the next rotation value? Increase the E, add to B. Oh, because it's XY, XY, XY. Okay, okay, I see. I see. I understand. So it's not relevant here. So here I can just get the X value and C. So the X value is just, I mean, it's not the X, it's the Y value first. What the? Today you learn Vim, possibly new Vim, has a socket API and Vim script. Why? Why? what do you need to do with sockets? Please don't. I mean it makes sense. I think there's a Copilot script, like there's a Copilot new Vim thingy. It would make sense. Hello, Chris. Hey yo, hey yo. LD. AB and 64 and whatever this is, and pop HL, and it's not rotating ball, it's laser animation. By the way, I don't know why it was not a relative. Weird. Hecking weird. Same here. You wonder if there's some kind of file transfer protocol I can remember to make editing a file easier? I see, yes. Some kind of I don't know what we would call it, but like maybe it could be like a number like 8 and a letter like Q. Yes, of course, 8Q. Of course. Right? Oh, maybe we could increase it and it would be 9 and then decrease the other one to adjust it and it would be P. Oh my god. Crazy. Hecking crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna try to animations. Sparkle, rotating ball. Instead of rotating ball, it's gonna be laser. Oh, the laser. Oh no, JP does not have a parameter that can. I see. I see. Boom, 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 boom. Oh no, it's not on again. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. The English-speaking French person is glitching in Spanish. Am I glitching? Is some... What? Did I say something in Spanish? Maybe I did and I did not realize. It's what I expected, but not in this direction. I thought it would... Oh, what? That's not what I expected. What the... Wait, what if... In there? And there. Indeed. Wait, fast? Do I glitch? No. I don't know, maybe I'm glitching. But like it seems that I'm not dropping frames. And I don't know. Earcopter. Oh, because I need to what? Well, I guess it makes sense. But it's dumb. It's using the steps. But like, since I don't know... I need to actually update the position of the animation. So like what I did before is basically useless. Yep, indeed. I'm the dumb. I am the dumb. It's me. Hello. So all of this, everything here is useless. I mean, this is not useless, I guess. Well, it kind of is. But all of this, no more. Same for this. HL plus. I still need to increase HL. And here. HL plus. Because it's just... yes, indeed. No more. Ow! Heyo. How was the persona? I look like I'm dying. I can't speak anymore. Oh no. Heyo. It's still doing it? Oh, persona. I see. And the animation does not have a return. Oh no. Is it also the case for rotating ball? No, it's not. My Game Boy Finch seems to be missing an access. Oh, it's true! It's hacking true! The Finches have sunglasses now. Wait, Finch? Sunglasses. Yeah, have fun. Have fun with the persona. Sunglasses. Finchmas. Bit bigger. So cool. Heckin' cool, what the? That's true. Thank you for telling me. they would have their what do I want to say? Brain is dead. Brain doesn't want to speak anymore. Speak, brain. Do the speakage. Thank you for noticing and telling me that the finches will have their eyes hurting because too much sun. Yes, this is what I wanted to say. Probably I would like to have said it in a simpler way, but brain is dead, no more. Bye. So this. Also, I'm using D here. I should put an E. Replacing the D with the E. And animation. Decrease. Compare. Like this. No. Okay, should be D. And then I should push the E. And then pump the E. But also no, because I'm returning NC here. That's a problem. I cannot, I'm gonna lose my stack pointer. And it's gonna break everything. That's illegal. So I'm gonna ignore it and not use it for now. Well, I'm gonna have to use it, but don't worry. I am in control of the situation, of course. Shall we? So we don't need this. What do we need? Wait. Was it always like this? Wait. Is it actually working, but I'm just dumb? Yes! It is! Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm done. I'm the dumb. It's me. Like if I do this now. Okay, apparently it's not working. Apparently, I'm not just dumb, I'm super dumb. Why? Swap A, add direction to BC. What is this? What? Yeah? But like, no, you were supposed to not. Yeah? Nah. Okay. I'm going. I am going to change. Ignore this. And change the coordinate as I said 5 or 10 minutes ago probably. And yeah. Bonjour. Indeed, indeed. That's how we say it. Yep. Bonjour. Decrease animation. Oh, because I'm not in. I'm so hecking dumb. Am I dumb? Am I? Maybe. Yes. Yes. I am dumb. That is the answer. I don't think you're dumb. Did you see my forehead? It's written on the forehead. Are you contesting the judgment of the forehead? Are you saying the forehead is wrong? You reject the label. Oh my god. But it's my identity. Who would I be without the dumb? Oh, the dumb. Wait, can I steal the Femsh's sunglasses? Copy. Paste. Double sunglasses. Am I cool now? What am I doing? I would be cute and smart, but it's not true. It's not true, I'm dumb. Would you like to join the cult of dumb? You would like to join the cult of dumb? Are you accepting applications? Yes. Yes, you are now. It's very simple. You just have to speak in the chat, and then you see the little things. The little thing. I don't know if I can have my pointer here. The little emoji thingy. It's you. It's you. You are the dumb. You have been. Why did? I don't know. VC face. It woke up. What the? You are now a dumb. Everyone here is a dumb. You guess you're dumb? Yes, you're dumb too. Everyone is dumb. But like for me, it means stupid, and for chat, it means definitely universal mega genius. It was dumb of you to contest the label. Yeah. So like now, what is it doing? What is it doing? Do we know? Does anyone know what the doing that is being done is done? What am I saying? I don't know anymore. Okay, so helicopter, and then I cannot move until yes. Okay, understandable. I think I would add just with a LDA for add B add B LDBA, and same for C. But also if compare and LDA 0F and E compare with 0, and if it is 0, then well, if it is not 0, then it's gonna skip move animation tile. Skip move animation tile. It's not a good name, but I don't know. I can't speak. You wouldn't know. Does that mean that you're even more dumb? Even more definitely universal mega genius? Wow, that's crazy. It's like even more universally than universal. Hyper genius. That's wow. So smart. So smart. So now I need decrease HL, decrease HL, decrease HL. I'm gonna optimize it later. Now we do it so it works. LDDHL, well, A, swap A, and well, shift right, and 3, and then put it in D. So now I have the direction in D. Well, I also need to increase A. H dumb. Hyper dumb. Hyper dumb. That's true. That's when you're super smart. Even more universal than your universal mega genius. That's what you call a compliment. Yeah. What is this? H stands for hypo. Then it changes the meaning of dumb to stupid, and if you're hypo dumb, then it also means you're smart. Hey. It's the power of the language. It's like in 1984 when they use like words that means two different things, so that depending on who you speak about, if you use the same word, it's like a compliment or it's an insult, and it's like this. It's useful. It's very useful. I control the language. Double think, exactly. No, not double think, double speak. Double think is another thing. Double think is like when they think, like when they know reality but also think that reality is false, something like this. Dumb would overflow for flying. Exactly. It's like if you're hypo dumb, then you underflow the dumb and you become smart. And if you're hyper dumb, then you become smart. Yes. The name is just Newspeak. Yeah, maybe that's true. But double think is another thing, I think. It's like when they... I remember like that there's a scene where they... Like the main character has to change the content of the newspaper that was already published and forget that they changed it to something, I don't know. There's specific parts of Newspeak. Newspeak is like the new language where they say like, I don't know, I don't even remember the things, but like it's like they simplify the language. Read the actual book. Me too. Me too. I read the book, and also another book that is kind of cool is it's a different kind of dystopia, but it's also kind of cool. Is in French it's Le Meilleur des Mondes, and it's Aldous Huxley, and I don't remember the name in English. It's like something New World. Double plus good, exactly. Double plus good. Animal Farm is so hard. Yeah. I think we studied Animal Farm in school. Is it like there's a pig named Napoleon that says that everyone is equal, but there's people that are more equal than others or something? I remember this one. Yeah. Mana by Marshall Brain. Oh, I don't know this one. Some are more equal than others, yeah. Yeah, it's like it's something where like they overthrow, like a farm where they overthrow the farmer, and like at the beginning they want to make an equal society of people, but like it devolves into the pigs taking the what the farmers were doing, basically. So it's like at the beginning they have all animals are equal in their constitution, and like at some point it becomes like all animals are equal, but some are more equal than others. Hello Ichi, heyo, how was the raid? Yeah, Animal Farm indeed. The horse fate, I don't remember all of it. I don't remember the details. I just know the general one. I'm gonna shout witch out, and everyone should go for a witch. What did you do? What did you do after the finishing of the 3D model? Did you play the games? Did you do the Path of Exile? It's wild, yeah, but it's also historically accurate. so yeah. Yeah, Brave New World, exactly. Brave New World is very interesting because like the thing is, it's difficult to it's kind of difficult to tell what is icky about it, but also it's very icky. Like when you read the thing, everyone seems to be happy, but also you don't really want to live in a world like this, and it's, I don't know. Probably should not have read it that young, but come on, basically be like, read this. Yeah, we also read the Animal Farm in school. I mean, not the other one, not Brave New World. Brave New World probably is not for children, but we did have to study the animal farm in school. People usually don't get that they are all happy and the protagonist is the only one suffering. Yeah. Brave New World is kind of about orgy and acid, true. That is true. Should have taught us 1984. Well, 1984 is more like the final state of like fascism and stuff. Not necessarily fascism, but like totalitarianism in general. Whereas the Animal Farm is kind of a way that it can develop. So it's probably more useful to read the Animal Farm, I think. I did not read Fahrenheit. Am I smoking now? I am not smoking. I am not smoking. I am against smoking. I mean, people can smoke if they want to smoke, but like, not near me, please. and I don't know. I don't like drugs, and for me, smoking is also a drug, even if it's not. The leaves. But yeah. 451 is rather dystopian novel. Oh, there's some sounds. Oh, no, I'm not smoking. Doesn't let drugs continue. Yeah, exactly. Z80 is better than drugs. Don't do drugs. Don't do that. I mean, I'm sure if we would might disagree. Don't use drugs. Meth is the best drug, followed by acid and weed. Yeah, you see, I said it. Sadly, someone in your household smokes and you can't stop them. Yeah, I don't know. I think reading is illegal. Firefighters don't put out fire, instead they show up and burn book and shit. What? Oh, in Fahrenheit? Or in the wait. Oh, I see. Yeah. I mean, some people want to there is a historical case for like the fact that fascism kind of like to burn books, and so it's probably accurate. People say that mixing meth and acid is very dangerous. What? 4 brothers, 2 sisters. You are the only one who doesn't smoke, and anytime you visit their house, you can smell. Oh no, rip. That's hacking, rip. Pat. You have a copy in yourself of books? I don't understand what it means. You have met so many amazing gay-dimensional creatures. Oh my god, taking the hard ones. Oh, shelf. Oh, yeah. I didn't read it, but like, yeah, maybe it would be. I did enjoy a lot. Like 1984 is. Like it's cool. Not like it's not cool. Of course, the inside of it is not cool. We don't want to live in 1984. But like what I mean is like the book is interesting, and like the especially the linguistic aspect of it is kind of very interesting. The fact that like they modify the language to make words have a double meaning, to be able to have a double way of thinking. But like, and a lot of people are like, 1984 is so like right now, how do you say it? So like, we are all in 1980. I don't think it's true. I think it's just like an extreme version of totalitarianism, and like we have things that does look like bad, but I don't know. Well, no, oh no. I don't know. She reads the news. Double speak, yeah, double speak. It's like JS things. Oh my god. Reduce concept to simple binary cases. Well, no. The thing about doublespeak is not about changing the concept to binary cases. It's like overlapping multiple meanings on the same word. So like it's not physically, but like it's linguistically impossible to say that someone from the party is a bad person, because you would use the same word for saying bad person as good person, but it's dependent on the context. So it's like they change the language in a way that makes it impossible, which is very interesting. And but also it's like, yeah, I don't know. There's a simplification of vocabulary, so there are less ways to express oneself. Yeah. Are we comrades here? Are we comrades? I don't know. I don't know what you mean by comrades. I mean, if you ask in a political sense, I don't think I am somewhat political, of course, because well, like, it's very easy to understand that I don't like whatever is happening in the US, but I don't think any normal person would like it. But like outside of that, am I political? I don't think I am. For the working for, I don't know. I don't know what you mean. But yeah. If you're part of the Communist Party or community, I'm not, like, I am not necessarily part of, like, I don't know. I don't have strong feelings on economic things, I think. Like, I don't actually, like, the thing is, I don't actually understand economics. I don't understand most of the things that are political. The things I understand is like being a decent human it's more about being a decent human being, and like which is what I disagree with US politics at the moment, and not only US, but I think you can understand the meaning. but like outside of like being a decent human being, like what is the more efficient way of doing things and that would make the most people happy? I don't know. I actually have no idea. There's more to leftism than communism? Yeah, I don't know. Probably, I don't know. I have no idea. Let's be nice, regular people, comrades. I mean, yeah, I don't know. I think like, I think I should watch less things political, because, as I say, I don't understand anything about like what we should do for this, which will have like a bunch of consequences on everything and all. I don't know these kind of stuff. Like the things that are that have a lot of consequences that are very complicated, I don't know. But like the things that are about being decent human being and like refusing like basic healthcare and decency to people, and like not being a racist to everyone. I think I don't understand why it's political. if you live in a democracy, caring about national politics is a waste of time, statistically speaking. Exactly. Exactly. Yeah, I don't know. It's because old people can't handle young people having it better. I don't think it's just old people. I do know some people who tend to have very bad opinions, and they're not old. So I don't know. Let's just say that there's a very common movement which was founded as a counter-movement to democracy, and it's the basis for a bunch of the problem in the world, and it's very much anti-leftist. A very common movement which was founded as a counter-movement to democracy. I don't know what this is. If I didn't have help in my worst time, I don't deserve it. Yeah, I don't know. You heard that assembly is extremely hard to code, and you heard wrong things because it's kind of easy. I mean, it's probably difficult depending on what you're trying to do. But like this is Z80 assembly. It's a very simple flavor of assembly that was used on the Game Boy. Well, technically the Game Boy is not actually Z80. It's like a mix between 8080 and Z80, and okay, but it's very close. It's Z80 assembly, and basically, if you like, it's like I have these register, and I do additions on this register, and I move the registers, and it works. Why the left is so detached from reality and the right is going nuts? So boring. I don't know. Let's not. Well, I kind of did it. But okay. Maybe we should change subject from the like. I expect everyone in this chat to be decent human being to everyone. But outside of that, I would like not to have political debates and like the kind of political things that like I think some things like LGBT rights, LGBTQ everything rights should not be political, and like if people disagree with this, they get the ban. But like outside of this, racism too. Racism, like it's dumb. Don't be racist. But like outside of this, the economics, the things like this, I would prefer people not to debate about it at least too much. Like we can debate in I don't know, yeah. Good is a bit autism. True. Oh my god. Like we can debate things, I think, but like I'm saying this because like Murio123, you're calling out people, which is kind of the issue I have here. You're saying the left is detached and the right is going nuts, and like I don't know what they believe, these people, and I think some people here would probably say that they are in one of these two camps. Although there's a lot of people who would identify as right, but like even if I think it's not something it's not a thing that we should say. Even saying the right is detached is kind of not right is going nuts. Like Trump is going nuts, Elon Musk is going nuts, but like I don't really know what the right believe in, and like it's what I mean is like it's not a subject I want to talk about here necessarily. Yeah. Lesbianism, yes, exactly. My channel's my room. Yeah. Yep. Assembly is easy in the same sense that learning how to play Go is easy. I don't know how to play Go, but mastering it is deep. I don't know. Once again, Master Assassin is cracked though. Activism, progressivism. You don't like the generalization, might be like the thing is, well, I don't want people who come here and think that they are slightly right-leaning, but actually decent people for like they are right-leaning for economic reason, and like but they're decent people and would not insult anyone and not try to think anyone. Like if they are decent people, I don't want them to be offended by the thing. Is what I mean, and I think it's also the same for left-leaning people. I don't think it's a good thing to just say that these people are going nuts and these people are detached from reality. Like I don't know. It's a group of people, and like people that identify as one or the other is like we should not insult people. Yeah. I don't know. I think it's not a good way of doing things. But yeah. What was I doing before? But yeah, autism, progressivism, activism, yes. Before I was yapping, that's true. That is factual. I was writing some GBgasm file. GBgasm, let's go. The GBgasm, yeah. Skip move animation time. So this is about adding one to BC and putting it back. That's true. Yeah. Deck HL. Oh, so here I can do increase HL. So just HL plus here. And LD, B, back, and HL. Hungryism. Are you hungry? Do you need the lunch? That's true, the lunch. Very important. And E. LD. Well, this. We'll do optimization later, I said. It's fine. Oh no, I'm already decreasing, so it's fine. It's fine. Surely, GBgasm. Skip move animation time. Bum 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 bum. So I'm moving the things every 16 tiles. Does it work? I forgot to open my game. Oh no, oh no. It's not moving. It's not working on you. What? I don't understand. Hungry Coon. Indeed, Hungry Coon. Hungry Senpai. I don't know why it doesn't work. I don't know what doesn't work. Because like it just disappeared and it looks like the animation is never cleared because after 4 it just gets deleted. Which is weird. Oh, I think I know why. I think I understand. And I don't know if I wanted to know. Oh no. Well, push. VC. It's gonna use way too many cycles. It's going to use way too many cycles. Way too many. Add direction to BC, and then C, HL, decrease, HL, B, HL. Bum ba ba da ba bum 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 bum. Too many cycles, like the Tour de France. Exactly. Why did I say it like this? Am I? I did not say Tour de France. I did say Tour de France. Oh, the Tour de France. What the? Am I becoming English? What the? Crazy. Illegal. That's illegal. Okay, so now it just doesn't move, but it doesn't do anything. Is this the health cycles, the number of cycles per frame? Hold cycles is not the number of cycles per frame, because like 2 together are a frame here, but there is something in the Game Boy there is an instruction in the Game Boy that is the halt instruction, that is that means don't do anything until the next interruption. And like this, I am using multiple kind of interruptions. There is there is a one which we call age blank, which means when I reach the end of a scan line, and I'm using it to switch. Wait, I need to show you. Like when I am at the end of specific scan lines, I am changing the things for the scrolls. Like this, for example, the thing at the top here, at the end of this specific scan line, I am changing the time map to use the terrain time map, and then also adding the scrolls value to the things. Yeah. And you can see that when I open it, okay, maybe you cannot see it. Okay, I think at some point it divided in 3, but maybe I'm using too many cycles now. But like the 3 interruptions that I use is the one here. When I finish drawing this, so that I can change the configuration to do this, and when the dialog is open, also the one here, and there's a third one which is at the end of the frame when I can update the values inside of the time map, which is called vblank. So like, there is multiple time where it halts, and so this is the number of CPU cycles that are not used in these times. Halt cycles is the number of cycles, yes, exactly, before the interrupts. It's the number of cycles that I still can use to make the number of free cycles that I can still use to make the game without it starting to lag, or not necessarily lagging, but like bugging because I am out of vblank or things like this. Yeah. That is what's happening. So it's kind of it's the difficult part about coding on the Game Boy is that you have to think about how efficient your algorithm are, not only in terms of memory and how fast it is, but like, does it even fit in a frame? And yeah, you're measuring in milliseconds, but like you don't have the same. It's normal. You don't have the same. Like you don't have the same constraints. Yes, it's the amount of CPU cache that you can spend, exactly. But like at the very beginning, when I didn't really have a good idea, like I'm starting to have a good idea of how many cycles things are using. But at the very beginning, of my streams, in my first streams, I did not have a good idea at all, and like especially for the thing that is like the thing that is the most intensive is to load the map, and because it needs, like, the thing is, it needs to be done in VBlank. Like I kind of found a way to not do everything in VBlank, but like you are even more limited because you must not have started drawing the screen when you are modifying the tiles, and if you do, then there's going to be glitches on some emulators and on real hardware. So like at the beginning, I changed the way of generating the map and loading the maps a lot. Like I tried 3 different things, I think, until I got something that was kind of working, and then I also had to optimize it. But yeah. Other question: why it gets bigger when you open the bottom menu? What does get big? What get bigger? Gets bigger? What do you mean? Does it mean you have more? Oh, I see, the cycles. Yes. It does mean I have more available cycles, but there's 2 things. First is kind of redistributed, I think. Well, probably. And yeah, I do have more available cycles, and the reason is that when I'm in this menu, I can skip any, like, there will be no animations, and I mean, there might be some animations. Okay, there is still the animation, but there will be, like, I know that there will be no input from the player as the bunny. There will be nothing that will happen that makes it needed to execute the entities, because the bunny is also an entity. I mean, I could skip also the foxes in that case, but I'm not doing it, and I don't actually need to do it. But I could skip this in the foxes too. But yeah. And also, I also know that there will be no, like, since I'm not moving, I know that there will be no loading of more of the map. So yeah. That's so awesome, but it must be so much work. It is some amount of work, but like it's kind of, I don't know, it's like coding. Hello, Crunch Corn. Hello. I don't think I know you. So I think I'm gonna go and look at what you did. Some performance. I see. Wait. Crutch Corn. Some performance code? Maybe, I don't know. Is it? I mean, it's made to be optimized, of course. I mean, I see some React in the background, so yes, it's not perfect. It's normal. What the React? Wow. Okay, I'm not judging. Sorry, I should not judge. What were you doing? Oh, it's actually React. I see. I don't know anything about React. I mean, I can recognize React. It is not React? Is it not? What is this? Oh, is it? Oh, it's Astro. Oh, I see. React Native? React Native. It's saying React Native on device. AI profit? Okay. Astro. I don't know what Astro is. Big Brain Astatin chat wrote the emulator in the compiler too. It's true. It is true. He's polyglot, he knows all of the framework. Oh, I see. I see, that's cool. That's cool. I have PTSD over JavaScript. But yeah. Hello. Did I follow you? I should shout you out too. I did follow you. I'm gonna try to catch one of you stream. Shout out. Crutch corn. So what were you doing in this stream? Astro? What in Astro? I should also show what I'm doing. I am making a game on the Game Boy. That's what we are doing, yes. Astatin so far is very lazy. She will disassembler the emulator. I did not write a disassembler. It's fake news here. The disassembler the emulator is writing the game in ASM. She's working all the game art too. Clearly she's the most lazy person. Exactly, that's true. But also fake news. I did not write the disassembler. There is no disassembler. I mean, there is one, I guess, in Gearboy, but it's not mine. It's the Gearboy one. You were experimenting with React Native and AI, and you didn't care enough, so you gave up. Oh, I see. I see. AI and React Native. I did some React Native a while ago, but I think, like, I heard that it became better since I did it because it was so unstable. Like the thing was basically I pushed my code one morning, and the next day it would not work. And I don't remember why. And it was kind of at the beginning of my like I was a baby Astatin, and I did not know how to develop properly. So it might also be my fault, but it was not a good experience. Astro equal HTML only. Oh no, JS. I see. You were working on your consulting side. I see. But yeah, I remember I had like issues understanding like there was issues with npm, which would break the dependencies, and there was also something like the iOS, is it Coco? I don't remember. Like there was like a thing with the iOS package manager, and like I did not even have a Mac, so I used my friend's Mac. So it was, I don't know. It was heckin' painful. I did not enjoy it. But I heard it's probably better now. But also like developing on mobile. Oh my god. So it's so slow. Everything is so slow, and like if it's not slow, then you have hot reload, and the hot reload you're not it's changing things in memory, so you're not actually guaranteed that your thing is gonna work, because you might be in a state which is not possible anymore. So yeah, you think most of the performance problem on our sites is just because animation heavy? I don't know. Performance problems. Is it needed to have JavaScript for animations? Because I think people do, like I don't actually know. I am I am very unknowledgeable on this, and I am bad at animations in general. Like, I think people do some CSS only animation, and it's usually very performant, no? There's a lot of canvas animation on the site. Yeah, it would make sense then, no? Because it means that canvas was much faster than CSS only. Oh, okay. Maybe I'm wrong then. I'm wrong. I see, I see. Because like it would, like my idea of it was that it would make sense for the browser engine to be, for it to be easier to optimize if it's like predefined animations than code you have to execute and get a buffer and change it every frame. Migrating to canvas made it go from single frames on desktop to 60 plus FPS on your phone. Oh wow. I see, I see. I see. The web is very weird. Hecking weird. You're gonna laugh, but this is my website. This is the best I can do. And there's no animation. I mean, yeah, I guess there's a Hoover one. It's going up 2 pixels. Does it count as animation? Oh I mean, if it's heavy, it's probably make it's gonna make everything loud. Oh, what is this? Empowering growth, enduring excellence. Yeah, you see my VC face model is kind of lagging a little bit. What is it supposed to be here? Things are moving. It's lagging. What spec do I have? Like, I have a laptop. I'm on a laptop, and also I have a VC face open and OBS streaming. So like basically everything is making me lag. Yes, on an IBM manufactured potato. No, it's Lenovo. It's not too old ThinkPad. It's the Lenovo ones. But yeah. Canvas makes use of better drawing primitives, so you would assume, but don't actually know. Oh, that is one cool looking website. True. I just read the. I really don't know how to improve the site without just FMing the whole design dashboard. Oh no, rip. I don't know. And you're like 2 months in? Oh no, rip. Hecking rip. You already cut so much from it? Yeah, don't worry. Rambling is okay here. I love yapping. I love to do the yaps. By the way, isn't my to-do list like 3 streams late? Did I not change it for 3 streams? Add laser animation is what I'm doing. And I don't know what I'm gonna do after, so it's just gonna be this. Why is this not working? Why? Oh, why? HL plus. HL plus, what the? Push HL? Oh, okay. HL doesn't... We don't care about HL. this. Is it just not working? Is it just never called? Bum, 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 bum. Like, does the dot stays on the whole time? It looks like it does, even more than the whole time. Maybe? Or maybe not. Maybe the animation is supposed to last a bit longer. Why? Add A to direction BC. Are the bunnies winning yet? That's a question. That's a good question. We don't know if they're winning. Can they lose? I mean, they have infinite healing, and they can freeze anything and like attack pretty much everything around them. I think they are kind of winning. Yes, that is factual. That is a fact. It's like it doesn't care. But I can put it back. I'm not putting it back! Oh my god, I'm just dumb. I'm just hacking dumb. That does make sense. That does make sense indeed. Okay, so now it should move, but like not smoothly. It should move 3 times, and like teleport. There's only one bunny and a bunch of foxes. Who's really ruining here? True. True. Yes, exactly. And in theory, if I change the thingy, wait, this, if I do like X or 1, then it's going to change the direction, right? Right? You couldn't even image coding in assembly? What do you mean by image coding? I don't know what image coding means. Okay, let's go. It changes, and like if I do this, then it's gonna go up, right? Imagine. Oh, I see. It's okay. I think you can imagine. It's easy. You just like, what if I coded in assembly? And then you start coding in assembly and you realize that it's not that hard. It's just like everything else. Okay. So now we run the risk of having an off by 1 error in this one, because we have a non-smooth thing and we want to make the animation smooth. So we're gonna have to get the get this again, and moving animation offset and direction to BC. Yes, so get this again and just add a direction to BC again. And now we'll see if we have an off by 1 error. I hope we don't. That would be RIP. But it's possible. It does happen. I see. I see. What was inverting all of the... I mean, I could do XOR FF, but I'm pretty sure there was another one that I don't remember. Opcode. Documentation is the code of the emulator. Yep. XOR or SBC, no. What was it? What was the thing? Isn't it in bitwise operations? No? I'm sure there was one. Assembler? Not shader. Instructions. This is LD, push, bump, add C, sub, SBC, CP, tech, and or XOR, CCF. Isn't it CCF? No, CCF is something about the carry flag. CPL, maybe. I think CPL would make sense. Flip all bits and register 8. Yes. CPL. CPL, increase A. Oh, hey yo, Sergeant Pepper, hey yo. How you doing? How was the stream? Hey yo, what? Wait. What the? Yeah. I think there's something weird. Wait, there's something... Don't worry. Don't worry, I fix it. I'm gonna fix it. There's a auto mod weirdness. Can you try again? Yeah, okay. It seems to be working. Hey yo. It was okay. Just did a lot of code reading and planning for your next project. It was a Yap stream, I see. Yeah, it looks like it's working. Have I been on programming for long? I did do things, I don't know. I have been programming for little bit. Like 10 years, something like this. It's something I do. What is my game release data plans? What do you mean? But wait, I should shout you out. I think I already follow you? Question mark? Maybe? Question mark? Oh no, I don't follow you. Oh. I should shout you out. Yeah. Just a lot of coloring. Started yesterday. Impressive. Yes, indeed. Everything that was done in a day. Of course. Not since August of last year. I have not been on this for like 5 months. It's not true. People want to know if you're going to release it to the public. Right now, it is open source, and I intend to keep it that way until at least a demo. Until I can release a demo, and then maybe I'm gonna do it. Closed source. Mine had a release date of 17 for the last 2 years. And it's similar. Like you can already kind of play what it is, but it's not funny, and it's not releasing until I'm satisfied, basically. And same for the demo. Watching people write assembly is a whole different world to you. You don't know what's going on. I see. Yeah, I can understand. It's kind of a write-only language. It's true. It's true. It does happen. You imagine that I would say something like it's for the Game Boy, you guys can play it. That's kind of true. No, I mean I'm gonna release it with the I did make the emulator. I just need to make a boot from myself, and then I will be able to release it with the emulator as an executable. And maybe if people, I mean I'm gonna do at least a cartridge for myself because it's funny, but like if people want to buy a cartridge, maybe I could sell some cartridges. It would be funny. Let's do a rewrite to JS and play it on the web. I mean, there's a bunch of emulators on the web. It's possible. It would be doable. And like what I think I'm gonna do is like release, like if you buy it, like I don't know if I'm gonna, like I don't even know if it's gonna be costing money or not, but like I would like to make a game studio at some point, so maybe I should charge people, but like at least the demo is gonna be free, of course, but like the kind of love that my VTuber have. Yes, the mic here. It's my mic. Hello. Of course I should charge, but like, what about people that don't have the money? Like, maybe I'm gonna do. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'll see. I will see. Like, I don't want to limit people. I want people to play my game, and like. It would be cool if I get money from it, but also it's kind of sad if people don't play my game because of financial reason. Let them suffer. Pirated game exists. I mean, sure. Put it as pay what you want, do you ever do anything different than 0? like I don't know. I think I'm gonna. I was thinking of doing something like the game is like you can download you can compile yourself the game. Everything is on GitHub, but also like if you want to play it from Steam and everything to be easy, then it costs like I don't know, a few euros, something like this. I don't know, maybe. I will see. That sounds reasonable, yeah. I mean, I think it's the way that industry does it, and also it's not a game, but Sprite. Sprite is costs money, but you can compile it yourself. So like, but like the thing is, yeah, I think it's. I think I'm gonna do that. I'm not sure. I will see. I don't even know if I'm gonna finish it, to be honest. Like if we are realistic, there's like 50% chance this game is never gonna get finished. So which is already kind of low. Like I think it's the game in my life I worked the most on. So it's fine. I'm okay with 50% chance. That's like it's probably gonna have a demo. The demo, I think I'm gonna release it for sure, but like an entire game, I don't know. It's problem for future Astatin. Exactly. Future me. Just a few more magical symbols and we'll be done. Yeah, just a few indeed. But like I would also like to have a story and things, and we're like 5 months in, and we did not even finish the basic gameplay. so like it's probably gonna go. It's probably a big scope. It's probably kind of big. We'll see. So add moving animation assets. It seems to be a very common story in game dev. Yeah, it does. It's true. That is true. But like the thing is, like if I do a game studio at some point, it might be smart to make like some smaller games that I release, like participate in game jams and make smaller games that I would release before, and not in assembly. Like games that I actually can finish somewhat fast, like in a few weeks, and make a bit of money with this, and I don't know, maybe I'm not gonna make money, and then I don't know. I might do something where I do like some freelance stuff and also game dev, and then I can just focus on this one. I don't know. We'll see. You were thinking, what is a polite way of saying that ASM is not the path to game success? But it has an advantage. Right now I'm not affiliate on Twitch, but like I feel like it's a really good way of drawing people in on Twitch. so like I could make money from Twitch too, and it would probably be more stable than what I would do with the game. So I don't know. Is it actually not a path to game success? I think it's a smart strategy. And also it's interesting, which is the main point. It's my marketing strategy. I'm doing games in assembly. Like people are coming in the stream and they're like, what the? Why assembly? And it's and they're chatting and they get hooked up and it's working. Big brain. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is it working? Is this working? I think I did not test. I think the test has not been done. It lured you in and now here we are. Exactly! Exactly. What in the world is a crystal? Isn't it the... Am I wrong if I'm saying that it's the Roller Coaster Tycoon dev? It's working. It's going from... it's going from the back though. It's starting from one... What the... What is this? The Transport Tycoon and Roller Coaster Tycoon, famously 99% assembly, 1% interface, C to interface with Windows. But like people were making games in assembly, like I think I saw a video about this person. I don't remember the name of the channel, but it was like Roller Coaster Tycoon with the last of its time or something like this. It was very interesting because like what they were saying is basically that Roller Coaster Tycoon was not that special, but it's just that people were making games in assembly before the end of the 90s, and it was normal. And it's just that at some point it became weird, and so yeah. So everyone is saying like he's a genius, but he's just used his method of doing it from before, and it's actually not that crazy. Yeah. RC, I mean, he's probably a genius too, but but like you get the idea. Like it's, yeah. It is crazy. A game in ASM is crazy, but like for example, all of the game on the Game Boy ever. Not ever, okay. Maybe not the game using GB Studio, but like most of the game on the Game Boy that were released were coded in assembly. It's not that because C is way too unoptimized, and Z80 assembly is not that hard to make. I mean, maybe not the case, yeah. I think it says more about the 90s game dev being crazy, yeah. Thank you. Oh, another Nora! Wow, there's so many Noras in this chat. There's Nora there's Happy Nora, there's Nora's Chair, and now there's Nora Mage, maybe? Nora Mage. So many Noras. Hello Nora. 4 Nora. 3. Yes, 3. So many. Wait, you have to be... You wanted to move to the UK because of him before you grew up, and wanted to move to Japan because of anime? Yeah. You have to be smart to get it done, but like many people are smart then. How many JS dev like you could be ASM dev you guess none? I don't think that's true. You're going to change your name to Surgeon Nora. I see. How many dev could be JS dev could be assembly dev? I did JS before. I don't think that's true. Like, it's really not that hard. It's just the concepts are the same. It's okay. It does look slightly less like English, but like it's just like another new language that you have to learn. Like if you can learn, like if people can learn things as wild as, I don't know, Haskell. I don't know how to do Haskell, and it seems wild that people are managing to do this. And every time I try to learn it, it was like, what the? like I think assembly is way closer to C than Haskell is. So it's like, I don't know. You just think in C and translate in your head, and at some point you start thinking in assembly. It's basically this. It's like learning a language. At the beginning, you translate in your head, and at some point it just becomes natural. Wait, Pascal is harder than ASM? I don't know. Also, it's by accent French. Yes. That is so cute. Thank you. Yes, it is French. You can make all your other tools from just a hammer and screwdriver, but it's kind of nice to have the tools to begin with. Yeah, but it's just nice. Think of it this way: if you can deal with all the JavaScript weirdness, then you can reasonably you can code reasonably in a language like C or ASM. Exactly. That is true. It takes particular type of temperament to do functional programming, just like doing ASM, but I don't know. I mean, I understand the kind of functional programming that Lisp is doing, but I did not manage to understand what Haskell is doing. I've been told that it's not that different, but also I don't know how much. Like, I don't know what it means to not be that different, because it seems very different to me. So I don't know. When are you gonna do some brainfuck stream? It's stream complete. I could. I mean, I did have some fun doing brainfucks at some point. do you want? Should we make something in brainfuck? I remember how you do it. You basically just copying everywhere in memory all the time, because you have to, like, if you want to copy a variable, yes. If you want to copy a variable from one place in memory to another, and like not just move it, you have to, like, it's like this. You come from here. If I want to, okay. For example, if I want this, if this is my memory, A, B, C, D. If I want B equal to A, I will have to use C. I will have to copy. Well, no, okay, just A, B, C. I will have to copy to move A to B and C at the same time, and move back C into A. It's pretty interesting. Get it, but JS is all about the glues. Like, wait, I'm gonna do it to show you. Like, you, it's go there, plus, minus, and then you back. It's something similar to this. It might not be exactly this, but like if you want just to do B equal A, you have to do this, like copying A to B and C, and like you're consuming A in that case, and then you go to C, and then coming back to A, you go to C, and then you move it to A. Something like this. Are you using all shortcuts of Vim? No. I am using some shortcuts of Vim, probably not all. Well, it was just a stack machine. Sure. Maybe. JS is just about glue stuff and get going, and there's a particular mindset that enjoys working and thinking of that way, yeah. You're a JS TS dev, by the way, by day and a Rust streamer by night, yeah. That's cool. You almost make me want to start an assembly project. It's pretty cool. Assembly is cool. Do the assembly. Happy that Rust can help you calm down after hard TS work a day. Yes. I mean, I don't want to do TS for my job anymore. Never. Please. Please, no more. No more. But I did at some point, and it was not funny. But yeah. What was I doing? Yes, it's starting from one thing back for some reason. But why? But why? Bum 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 bum. Well, I do know why. Does it make sense if I do this? Because like I'm making it negative? So it's like I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, it does look like it's working. Pew. Maybe I could make it go faster though. Maybe it's a bit slow. Step. I mean, I could just do. Wait. TS was the first language that you really liked, and then you came to Rust. We'll just write STHN. I don't know what it is. What it should be. Then. I see. Oh, then came around. Oh, I see why you said that. Yeah. Thank you for the follow, Alpha what the? Thank you. Love my voice and how is thank you. Alf, what? I did not say this. Fake news. Oh my god. When am I increasing the steps here? Decrease E, and I could just decrease it twice. I need to improve this one because I think it's gonna use a lot of cycles and I don't like it. And that sounds something Astatin would say. Would it? Would it? Me? No. That's not true. That's not true. I think it's fake news here. I think I am being my news are being faked. Unhinged Astatin is an alcha. I'm never that crude, but I tend to say things. I tend to say things that I think are funny. Yes. I tend to be unhinged, indeed, and tend to say things. Yes, yes, that is true. That is true. There is nothing to do with donuts, indeed. I would never. I would never. Thank you for the follow. And number 8. Thank you. Welcome. I'm getting distracted. The distraction. Oh no. Oh no. Not the distractions. Okay. Assembly. You see assembly you like? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. So laser. The laser is working. Can I optimize things? Well, I'm not moving that much HL, like I'm going back and forth. Can I move this before, maybe? It would be better, but also no, because it would introduce off by 1 error. Which one? There's also a monster, indeed. Attack of the Nora, yes. Noras are meeting here. It's the Nora meeting. Meeting channel, indeed. So many Noras. Noraster, Happy Nora, and Nora Mage. And Sergeant Nora. Sergeant Nora, indeed. A congregation of Noras, indeed. You are the Noras. Oh my god. All of the Noras. Laser. So the laser animation is kind of done, and like I said that I would optimize it, and now I'm too lazy to optimize it. So do I end the stream? Do I not end the stream, but like commit and do the things, and then go towards ending and raiding someone? Maybe. Probably. Okay. Thank you for the follow, Corellior. Thank you. So animation. animations here. Getting back the rotating ball and add 3F. What did I comment? Basic attack. So enemies attack. Well, maybe I should not uncomment it, but just add something that gives some context. For future attacks, this is an attack that would freeze the bunny and move minus 4x the entity. Okay. Add laser animation and change animation steps to decrements. A chair. I see. Okay. So I'm gonna find someone to raid. Who could I raid? Who could I do the raiding to? Someone on the team, maybe? There's not a lot of people on the team. I don't know these people. What are they doing? Just Twitch, please. Bye-bye. Wait a little bit. I'm gonna raid someone. I'm gonna wait. But wait. Yes. We are near the end of the stream. Indeed. That is factual. That is true. I want to hear the sounds to make sure that it's listenable. I see. Problem.
I'm really happy. Takes a while though.
We can try to rate this person.
I'm melting the plastic down into a silicon mold.
Yeah. I don't know what accent it is, but it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool.
Keep an eye on the Facebook page.
Is it?
There'll be a poster.
Irish?
A photo in the coming days. Oh, I can't talk today.
Bonne journée. Thanks for coming by, everyone. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna rate this person. I don't know what they're doing. It's the first time I rate them, but we'll see. We'll see. And everyone be nice and yes. Oh, followers only chat. Wow. Followers only chat. Maybe not followers only chat. Maybe not a followers only chat. Thanks for the stream, indeed, and thank you for coming to the stream. ask you a game dev question. Mercenary mage. What are they doing? Is Twitch okay? Twitch seems to be kind of broken. Oh no, we're gonna have a ad SMBC Bank in Japanese. Do you want to hear the Japanese ads? Wow. Wow. Crazy. Crazy. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. Japanese ads, indeed. Do I read this person?
They call action queue.
Let's go. Let's go. Rating that
What?
person. I don't know what they're doing,
Call action.
but we're gonna be nice and behave, and and we'll see.
Yeah, this seems right to me.
No one be doing ads like that, JP. Yeah. Yeah. Game dev.
Yep, all that feels right to me.
Rating random persons. Let's go. Let's go. Bye bye. I'm rating in 4 seconds. Bye bye.
So I'm betting that we don't need to do that. I'm betting it happens automatically, and that's the issue. Hello, Astatin Chan. How's it going?